1 mile per minute, that's 60 miles per hour. So in 2 hours, that's 120 miles. So this car travels 120 miles, and that takes 5 gallons. So if it only used 3.75 gallons, 3.75 out of 5, that's like 7.5 out of 10. I just expanded the fraction by a factor of 2. And if it's not intuitive for you to see that 7.5 out of 10 is 3/4, you can just expand by a factor of 2 again. So it would be 15 over 20, and then reduce by a factor of 5, and you get 3/4. So based on that, we can say the car only traveled 3/4 of 2 hours, and therefore it would only cover 3/4 of 120 miles, which is 90 miles. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.